Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This channel where science is all about trying to learn various concepts through the science for practicing a lot of questions. In this video, we are going to solve this question on Leetcode regarding pizza toppings cost analysis. The difficulty level of this question is medium and I'm going to share the SQL schema as well as the Pandas schema in the description box below. Okay, the question reads, we are given a table called toppings with two different columns, topping name and cost. Topping name is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table contains topping name and the cost of the topping. We are asked to write a solution to calculate the total cost of all possible 3 topping pizza combinations from a given list of toppings. The total cost of toppings must be rounded to 2 decimal places. Okay, we need to keep in mind that do not include pizzas where a topping is repeated. For example, pepperoni, onion pizza. So pepperoni is repeated. We do not need such combinations, and toppings must be listed in alphabetical order. For example, chicken's onion sausage is possible. Onion sausage and chicken is not possible because this is not in alphabetical order. Return the result table ordered by total cost in descending order and combination of toppings in ascending order. Okay, let's go through this example. So here you have 4 different toppings. So how many combinations of 3 toppings out of the given 4 toppings is possible? So 4C3, that comes out to be 4, right? So 4, and then you calculate the total sum and you order this by total cost in descending order, right? So what we need to do basically in this case is, since we have only one table and we need this combination, so what you can do is you can take different versions of toppings. So for example, toppings as T1, toppings at T2, and try to perform a inner join. Why inner join? Because we need the combinations where both of this exist. And secondly, on what column are you going to perform the join on? So what you can do is you can say T1 dot topping name is less than T2 dot topping name. What will this ensure? Since the question says that the toppings should be ordered in ascending order, right? So chicken comes before pepperoni, comes before sausage in dictionary. So if you do T1 dot topping name is less than T2 dot topping, so here let's assume this is T1 and there is another version of this exactly here, right? For example, this is T2. So it will say, okay, is pepperoni less than pepperoni? No. So there won't be any join. Is pepperoni less than sausage? No. Why? Because P comes before S, right? And then is pepperoni less than chicken? No. Is pepperoni less than extra cheese? No. So for pepperoni, it is not going to have any combination. However, for sausage, same with sauces. However, for chicken, it is going to find, okay, chicken and pepperoni, okay, chicken and sausage, okay, chicken and extra cheese, okay. Similarly with extra cheese as well. So what we are going to do is, from this table called toppings, let's alias this as T1. Let's inner join the toppings table, but this time aliased as T2. This is an example of self join on T1 dot topping name should be less than T2 dot topping name, and let's keep all the columns. So select star. Let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what do we get in our out. Okay, so if we look at it, we have all the possible combinations, right? Now we also need, because we have the 3 possible combinations in our output, so we need to do the same thing again. So what you can do is you can just simply copy this, but this time the toppings would be as T3, right? So as T3, and T2 dot topping name is less than T3 dot topping name. And now what will this do? This will give you all the possible combinations, right, which is arranged in alphabetical order, right? So if I go ahead and drag it to the left, so these are the possible 4 combinations, right? If you look at chicken pepperoni sausage, so you have chicken pepperoni sausage, right, chicken extra cheese sausage, chicken extra cheese sausage, and so on. Once you have this, then what you basically need is you need to concatenate all the 3 toppings and give that name as a pizza. So what you can do is return us concatenated value. So concat t1 dot topping name, then you have a comma, then t2 dot topping name, again have a comma, and then finally t3 dot topping name, and alias this as pizza because that is what we have in our output, pizza. And then you need the total cost. So t1 dot cost plus t2 dot cost plus t3 dot cost, and you need to round this to 2 decimal places as well. So round this entire thing to 2 decimal places and alias this as total cost, right? If I go ahead and look at this question, right? So you have to be rounded to decimal places. Also, you need to order this by total cost in descending order and then toppings combination in ascending. So let us try to do that. Let me just drag it down, and then what you do is order by total cost in descending manner and then pizza in ascending manner. Let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what do we get in our output. So if we look at it, this is accepted. If I look at our output is same as expected output. Let me go ahead and submit to pass all the test cases. So yeah, this is accepted, and this is how to do it. So yes, somewhat tricky question because there is only one table that is given in to us, right? And from this we need to get possible combinations, three possible combinations. So what we basically did was we performed a self join of the table as various aliases on itself, and the method we use is inner join. And then once we had that, then we concatenated all the three toppings as pizza and sum the individual cost to get the total cost and rounded to two decimal places as well, and finally ordered by total cost in decreasing manner and pizza in ascending order. So yeah, this is how we do it. Let me know if there's a better, more efficient solution to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.